We all have stories to tell, moments we want to capture and share with the world. Sometimes our smartphones just don't cut it. That's where good video editing software comes in, and trust me, it doesn't need to break the bank. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your game, here's software for you. Let's dive into the top free video editing software of 2024. First up, we have Clipchamp. Think of this as your friendly neighborhood editor. It's all about ease of use, making it perfect for beginners dipping their toes into the video editing world. The interface? Clean, intuitive, and won't leave you lost in a maze of buttons and menus. You'll be flying through edits in no time. One of the things I appreciate about Clipchamp is its accessibility. They've got this stock library integrated right into the platform. Need some music? Boom, it's right there. Looking for a specific sound effect? They've got you covered. It streamlines the whole process so you're not jumping between a million tabs and windows. Now don't let the simplicity fool you. Clipchamp doesn't shy away from offering some more advanced features. We're talking green screen capabilities, picture-in-picture, and even some cool audio effects. It strikes a really nice balance between being beginner-friendly while still packing enough punch to handle more creative projects. Imagine you're putting together a highlight reel from a recent trip. Clipchamp makes it a breeze. Drag, drop, trim, add some music from their library, and bam, you've got a shareable video that captures the essence of your adventure. It's that straightforward. And here's the thing about Clipchamp that really resonates with me. It grows with you. As you become more comfortable with the basics, you can start exploring those more advanced features. It's like having training wheels that you can take off when you're ready to ride solo. Their free plan gives you a generous amount of features and export options. It's more than enough to get your creative juices flowing and produce some high-quality content. If you find yourself needing more, they do offer paid plans with even more bells and whistles. But honestly, the free version is a powerhouse in its own right. Clipchamp is all about breaking down those video editing barriers. It's about empowering anyone with a story to tell it visually. No intimidating timelines, no overwhelming jargon, just pure, unadulterated creativity at your fingertips. Another fantastic aspect of Clipchamp is its collaborative features. You can easily share your project with friends or colleagues, allowing multiple people to work on the same video. This real-time collaboration can be a game changer, especially for team projects or group assignments. Plus, with its cloud-based storage, you can access your projects from anywhere, anytime. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, your editing tools are always within reach. Clipchamp also keeps things fresh with regular updates. They are constantly adding new features and improvements based on user feedback. This community-driven development ensures that the platform evolves to meet the needs of its users. And if you ever get stuck, Clipchamp offers a wealth of educational resources. From tutorials to guides, there's plenty of help available to get you back on track. Plus, their support community is always there to lend a hand. In the end, Clipchamp is all about empowering your creativity. It's about bringing your ideas to life in the most seamless and enjoyable way possible. So whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, Clipchamp has something to offer you. Dive in, explore its potential, and see how it can transform your video editing experience. Your journey with Clipchamp is just beginning, and the possibilities are endless. Next up is CapCut, and let me tell you, this one's a beast. It's a mobile-first editing experience, but don't let that fool you. It's packed with features you'd normally find in desktop software. We're talking about a level of control and precision that's seriously impressive. The interface, while a bit more complex than Clipchamp, is surprisingly intuitive for a mobile app. You've got your timeline, your tools, and everything is laid out in a way that makes sense. It might take a minute to get used to if you're coming from a more basic editor, but trust me, it's worth the effort. CapCut is all about giving you the tools to create professional-looking videos right from your phone or tablet. And they don't skimp on the features. We're talking keyframe animation, chroma key, that's green screen for you non-film buffs, and even motion tracking. It's like having a mini Hollywood studio in your pocket. One of the things that sets CapCut apart is its focus on social media. They've got all these built-in templates and effects that are tailor-made for platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. So whether you're creating a trending dance video or a slick product review, CapCut has got you covered. And the best part? It's completely free. No watermarks, no limitations on features, just pure, unadulterated video editing power at your fingertips. It's no wonder CapCut has become the go-to choice for creators of all levels. Now let's talk about why I think CapCut is such a game changer. It's democratizing video editing. You no longer need expensive software or a powerful computer to create stunning videos. With CapCut, All you need is your phone and your creativity. The app is constantly being updated with new features and effects. The developers are super responsive to user feedback, so you know they're always working to make the app even better. If you're serious about creating engaging video content, CapCut is an absolute must-have. It's powerful, it's versatile, and it's free. What more could you ask for? The user community is vibrant and active, sharing tips, tricks, and tutorials to help you get the most out of the app. While there is a bit of a learning curve, the wealth of resources available makes it easier to master. And once you do, you'll find that the advanced features open up a world of possibilities. CapCut also supports collaboration, allowing you to work on projects with friends or team members seamlessly. The export options are flexible, letting you choose the best settings for your platform of choice. In conclusion, CapCut is not just an app, it's a comprehensive video editing solution that fits right in your pocket. So, if you haven't already, download CapCut and start exploring your creative playground today. The possibilities are endless, and your creative journey awaits. CapCut, where your creativity comes to life. Finally, we arrive at DaVinci Resolve, the crown jewel of video editing software. Professional-grade video editing software that's used in Hollywood blockbusters and high-end productions. And the craziest part? It's accessible to everyone. They offer a completely free version that's packed with more features than you can shake a stick at. Yes, you heard that right, a free version with professional-grade tools. Now, I'll be honest, DaVinci Resolve is not for the faint of heart. It's a powerful beast that demands respect. The interface is incredibly powerful, but it can be overwhelming at first glance. It's like stepping into a cockpit for the first time. There are menus within menus, and a seemingly endless array of tools and options. It might feel like you're navigating a labyrinth. But trust me, once you start peeling back the layers, you'll discover a world of creative possibilities. It's like unlocking a treasure chest of editing tools. DaVinci Resolve is known for its color grading capabilities. This is where it truly shines. It's like having a virtual darkroom at your fingertips. You can manipulate colors, adjust lighting, and create stunning cinematic looks that will make your videos pop. Imagine turning your footage into a visual masterpiece. It's the same software used by professional colorists, so you know you're getting the best of the best. The industry standard is right at your disposal. But DaVinci Resolve is more than just a color grading tool. It's a complete video editing solution that covers all your needs. It's a complete video editing solution. From cutting and trimming to advanced effects, it's all here. You've got advanced editing features, visual effects, motion graphics, audio post-production, and even tools for collaboration. It's a one-stop shop for all your post-production needs. It's like having an entire post-production studio in one software package. Everything you need is integrated seamlessly. The free version of DaVinci Resolve is incredibly generous. You get access to most of the core features without spending a dime. You get access to most of the core features, and there are no watermarks or limitations on exports. Your creativity is not hindered by any restrictions. It's more than enough for most aspiring filmmakers and video editors. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, DaVinci Resolve has something to offer. Now you might be thinking, why would I ever need something this powerful? And that's a fair question. If you're just starting out, simpler tools might be more approachable. If you're just starting out, Clipchamp or CapCut might be a better fit. These tools are great for quick edits and learning the basics. But if you're serious about taking your video editing skills to the next level, DaVinci Resolve is the ultimate tool. It's designed to grow with you. It's the kind of software that can grow with you throughout your entire career. As you evolve, so does your ability to harness its power. As you learn and improve, you'll discover new ways to use DaVinci Resolve to bring your creative vision to life. The possibilities are truly endless. So whether you're just starting your video editing journey or you're a seasoned pro, there's a free software option out there that's perfect for you. Clipchamp welcomes you with open arms, CapCut empowers you to create on the go, and DaVinci Resolve, well, that's where the magic really happens. Try them out, experiment, and most importantly, have fun. Remember to subscribe to Software for You for more videos like this. Give us a like, let us know in comments your opinion and your recommendations of other free video editing software. Until the next video.